If you look back the previous video, 1 or 2 videos before this one on my channel, there's some really great footage from the desert from last week when I went flying with LaffinFPV. It's kind of a long video, 4 minutes. It's a little long for an FPV flight, but it's very soothing. It's very buttery. It was at 5:30 in the morning. The lighting was great. The quad was flying awesome. So it's really nice. I suggest you look it up. There's a link here, link in the description, or just go find it. But the reason I'm doing this one is because later in the day, the flying got more exciting even. Just that the lighting doesn't get better as you go through the day, unfortunately. But there's this flight of this ridge we found, and that's what I want to share with you now. It was noon, not the best lighting, but I made it work. I was using a TBS ND filter, no, actually it wasn't the TBS. I normally have TBS ND4, ND8, ND32, but my ND16s are Sun Butters by Pyrodrone. They're on the Pyroflip RC site, and that's what I put on this one. And I was flying my Project 399 Super G, which Laffin built one as well. It's 5S 2200 milliamp hours, and this ridge flight was really awesome. It took us a while to find it. I could see it from far. We could drive it around until I found it, got the flight in. It's not long footage, but the fact that it was noon, it came out really well. Even I put Hypersmooth on it to help with the stabilization, but normally you gotta be careful with that because when you're running an ND filter, the Hero 7 doesn't usually like it. But I found that if you're not doing aggressive flying, even with the ND filter, it tends to work pretty well. So I go ahead, check it out now, and again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thumbs up to this video, and see you later. Okay, got satellites, got DVR, so we roll.
Got a positive attitude?
Good attitude.
You're like way behind us and to your left. Yeah, just go straight ahead. You're almost here.
Yeah, I always shot it.
You see us right here?
Yeah.
There we go. Go for the juice. Get the juice. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
The juice. Danny, you dropped the juice.
Bent the prop. Alright. Quad's in perfect shape. The props took the hit. Perfect.
Good?
Shaky. But I'm good. That was sick.
Nice.
Alright, I'm actually doing an outro. Otherwise, normally I'll be at home in my desk telling you about a little trip. Thanks to Brady here to reminded me to actually shoot an outro. We were flying this cliff, and no mishaps. Nobody got stuck up there. So yeah, once we actually got there, we're like, oh crap, okay, we gotta get back still. But I flew the ridge on the corner here. It's a lot closer, a lot shorter. So that's good. Everything turned out well. So anyway, it's super hot out here, so we're wrapping it up. We're gonna go to the gas station, get some drinks, and call it a day. It's been successful so far. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to this channel. You see it's doing very well. Hit the bell button so you get notifications of all my next upcoming videos, and see you on the next one.